In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GeForce NOW account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official GeForce NOW website. Make sure you are on the correct official page before continuing, since this is where you'll safely create your account and choose your membership. Once the site loads, take a moment to look for the option that says Join Now. This is usually easy to spot on the main page, and it's the button that will take you into the sign-up process. After you click Join Now, you'll be asked to choose a membership plan. GeForce NOW typically offers several options, including Free, Performance, and Ultimate. The free plan is a good starting point if you simply want to try the service and see how it works. The paid plans usually include extra features, such as better performance or longer session times, so choose the one that best matches your needs and budget. Once you've decided, click on the plan you want to continue. Next, the website will ask you to sign in with an existing NVIDIA account or create a new one. If you already have an NVIDIA account, you can simply sign in and move forward. If not, click Create Account to begin setting up a new account from scratch. This is the option most new users will need. You'll then be asked to enter your email address and create a password. When typing in your email, double-check that it's correct, because this is where account-related messages and verification instructions may be sent. For your password, choose something secure but memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Take your time here, because using accurate information will help you avoid login problems later. In some cases, you may be prompted to verify your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the verification message from NVIDIA. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Click the verification link in the email, then return to the GeForce NOW sign-up page if needed. From there, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The website may guide you through a few final setup steps depending on the membership option you selected or your account status. Read each screen carefully and continue until the account creation process is complete. Once everything is finished, your GeForce NOW account will be ready to use. You can then sign in and start exploring the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you create your GeForce NOW account quickly and easily.